Rescue cleaning falls into several categories actually. So the main reason that we developed a rescue cleaning division was about 2 decades ago. There was a move in the industry to move to no clean fluxes. So this means that the assemblers in theory could leave the flux residues behind. If they were complex properly, they wouldn't be conductive or corrosive. So what we found out was when assemblers started improperly processing these fluxes, the material they left behind was detrimental to the product. So while they moved to a no clean flux, many contract manufacturers removed their wash process, which in turn left them kind of high and dry if they had to do any kind of rescue cleaning. So as we found more and more companies coming to us saying, what is this material? Is it conductive and can you remove it? We kind of moved into the rescue cleaning part of the industry. In general, what we do with any project is take a small number of samples, a sample set of 10, and then we will do what's called a proof of cleaning. So we have a general idea, a baseline cleanliness, we have a baseline set of parameters that we use for rescue cleaning. And so we'll clean a couple boards and then we'll test them with ion chromatography to determine how effective that set of parameters are. Based on the results of that, we can either optimize the cleaning process to elongate the wash time, or we could use a higher concentration of saponifier or something like that to help, increase the effectiveness of the cleanliness, and we just kind of find that balance until we say, okay, this is the right set of parameters for this type of sample, and at the end of our cleaning process, any residues left behind are very low in ionics and not considered a threat to reliability. If a problem is identified at either the contract manufacturer or here at Foresite, the idea is to do this remedial cleaning to increase the reliability. So they're basically stopping a field failure from happening, by doing the rescue cleaning. The value Foresite brings to a rescue cleaning process is being able to verify that the cleanliness levels after our wash process, are low enough to not increase the risk of electrical failure in the field. So basically, our value is increasing reliability in the field, and then the bottom line for the customer as well.